If you lost your eject tool for SIM tray and you want to open the SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then you have several different tools that you can use to open the SIM tray. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any additional tools that I can show you precisely, but essentially what you can use is, for example, a paperclip. So you can straighten one end of a small or medium-sized paperclip, and then you can insert the straightened end into the SIM tray's pinhole over here and apply the pressure until the tray pops out. We can also use a safety pin, like a standard safety pin can also be used as an alternative. We can carefully insert the pointed end into the SIM tray's pinhole and press it gently to eject the tray. Earring does the job as well. If you have a small earring with thin, straight posts, then this can work as well. You can remove the earring back and insert the posts into the ejector hole. You can use a needle, a sewing needle, and also a thumbtack or a staple. They can be also used to open the SIM tray as well. So essentially just place them into the hole, any of these tools that you have, as long as they are small enough so that they fit the hole, and of course as long as they don't break under by using a small pressure, then you can use them in order to pop the SIM tray. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!